and it may only last a year or so, but it's definitely a period where I think the best gains have been had, and it wouldn't surprise me to see a significant correction.
The sentiment of what's happening behind the scenes is starting to become apparent publicly and for everyone to see. The European Central Bank just posted its biggest loss in 25 years. And the Bank of Canada isn't too far behind, with a $6 billion loss. Listen to this clip to understand the financial mechanics of how central bank profits and loss statements actually work.
How much are taxpayers on the hook for the losses at the Bank of Canada?
Ultimately $6 billion at the end. So, as I said, very much contingent on interest rates. We do have legislation that's been passed now that lets us retain our earnings. Normally, at the end of every year, we would have remitted whatever our earnings were to the government. And once the assets that you described roll off our balance sheets, we will be back in positive earnings, and that will fill that sort of overall loss. And then we'll be back to remitting to government. We expect to be back in a positive situation in about 2 years, and then we would continue remitting back to government.